Okay, class, I'm going to show you guys a video and I'd like you to pay very close attention to what's happening, okay? On the projector.
Wow.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the video again and I'd like you to write down what you think is going on in the video, okay? So here I'm showing you guys the video again. Okay. All right, now that you guys have written down some ideas of what you think is happening in the video, I'd like you to share with your partners.
Looks like an earthquake.
Looks like one of the houses fell down, the other one didn't.
One house was weak.
Good, okay. Does anyone want to share with me their ideas of what they think they saw in the video?
Poor base.
Oh, was that you thought it had a poor base?
A poor base.
Yeah, it looks like one of them did. One of them had a sturdy base. Anything else? What do you think was happening in the video?
A lot of shaking.
Shaking from what? What causes the shaking? What do you guys?
Earthquake.
Yeah, earthquake. I think it was a simulated earthquake. Okay, so now that we have some ideas, why do we think, you're going to predict why you think the house on the left stood and the one on the right fell. And I'm going to write down our predictions with our images in the bubble map. So does anyone have any ideas for why some structures fall and some stay standing? Yes.
Well, it depends on how tall it is. If it's taller, it can fall down.
So height. And here is an image to indicate height. So what about height? So you said if it's taller, then it'll fall probably?
Yes.
Tall may fall. It rhymes. Okay. Other items or other things? It could be about other stuff like
Material.
material. Good. So what the house or structure is made out of. So let's do material down here. Material. Okay, and what about materials? You guys have any ideas of what you think might be good material to use for structure?
Cement and steel.
Steel. Yeah, those are good, I think. Cement.
Wood.
Ideas. Wood, that's what was in the video, right? Wood. Maybe one more.
More nails.
Nails?
Yeah.
Okay, good ideas. Good predictions for the video. Any other ones? Maybe a few more. What about how wide it is? Like the wide.
You would think if it was wide, it wouldn't fall.
Right? That's what I would think too. I'll put that up here for an idea. Here's the photo. Tammy, you should look at the photos too. That might help you.
Okay.
Spanish speaker.
Okay.
Width, right? Big base. Good. I think these are all really good ideas. I'll put a few more photos up for structure and base, and then the land. I think those are all good predictions. Okay. So now that we have made our predictions about what makes a structure good and stand during an earthquake, we're going to put our ideas that you put up there to test. So we're going to be engineers for the day. Okay, so we're going to do an activity. It's the marshmallow toothpick activity.
Yay.
Where you guys are going to construct structures, work together, and be kind to one another. And use your toothpicks and marshmallows. You have to use all 30 of the toothpicks and marshmallows to construct at least 2 stories high. And then at the end, we're going to shake the Jell-O and see if your structures can hold together. So here's your first one. I'll go get the Jell-O. Okay. So here's your Jell-O and marshmallows and toothpicks. Okay. So does anyone have any questions? Are you ready to start?
Ready.
Ready to start.
Ready? Okay. So after each time, I want you guys to write down your data and see, you know, what you did for each experiment. And you guys have 7 minutes starting now. Oops.
It has to go in the book. Oh my goodness. This is like a video. Has to go in a little bit. Has to go in a little bit.
Do whatever you guys have to put it together.
No.
You have to use all your marshmallows and toothpicks.
Yeah, you gotta use it. Gotta be clever. Okay.
It has to be 2 stories too, remember? Five minutes left. Oh. Why are you guys whispering?
You gotta like do this one. And then that one.
There.
And this one, that one.
The stick has to go out.
This one.
This one goes over here.
This one.
Okay.
You have to use all your material.
It's 2 stories.
Let's go 3.
Where do you think you are? San Francisco? Is that your cat, Miss? Who's it are?
That's your cat.
Yeah.
Gonna be
She's not happy.
a quiet cat. So.
She's not that happy.
Should I let her in? Will that make her stop?
Oh no, I don't like her stop.
Won't let her. This one.
Oh my goodness.
3 minutes left.
This is a skyscraper.
This one.
Too tall. Wait, this one needs to come in.
You can use your other toothpicks. Put it sand.
Let's see this one. Watch this one.
Good job.
Not that one. This one. This one. What the heck is this one?
You have more marshmallow and toothpicks you can use.
No, we don't.
Oh, this one came out. Need a patch.
Hurry up and do something. Over here, it's gonna fall this way. Put it over here.
Yeah, look at this one.
Is that your last?
Yep. Put it right here. Stick it in there and make it here. Here, I'll do this one. Ta-da!
All
Okay.
right. So now we're gonna put your structure to the test, and we're gonna simulate an earthquake and see if it holds. Are you ready? Pretty good. Oh,
Oh,
it almost stayed up.
oh man.
Almost stayed up. Okay, we'll put the structure aside.
Oh boy.
That was good for your first try. Good job. Okay, guys. So now I want you to write your data that you collected during that experiment. What did you notice? What did you see?
Okay, that's all right. So,
Give you some minutes to do that.
so tall. So
Okay, so now that I gave you about 5 minutes to write your data, we're gonna try it again, and you're gonna make some maybe changes to see how you can make it a little bit better this time. I'll give you the same amount of time. You use the same amount of materials to try doing it again. We can even move this so you can use the fresh Jell-O.
fresh.
I knew you were gonna do that. Oh, it's stuck. You want to start with what you have so far, maybe? Or here? Okay.
This one.
Alrighty, so 7 minutes are
Put the
starting now.
marshmallow in or just a stick?
Ooh, how many tries do we get?
You get another one after this.
Oh,
So, do you want to try putting the marshmallow in the Jell-O first? Yeah. Go ahead. No, that one goes there. You took it.
yeah.
Say so. Let's go cross. Do cross. Want to do cross?
That's a triangle. Can't do a triangle house.
You can do whatever shapes you want.